Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have this super easy copper smoky eye, and if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. So today I'll be working with the original Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to start by priming my eyes using the Louise base in the shade 02. So today I'm gonna go for more of a rounded shape because in my personal opinion, it's just a lot easier to achieve when you're a beginner. This would not be the choice for my hooded eyes, but we all have different shapes and I want to cater to everyone and show you what options you have shape-wise when it comes to makeup. So first I'm gonna go with this kind of like orangey deep shade, and I'm using the small crease brush from Makeup Geek. If you guys think that this particular shape is not for you, I have a video on how to visually lift your eyes with makeup, and I'm going to link it in the description box so you can go and check it out. Once applied, I'm going to blend out the edges a little bit without any additional product, just using the same brush. Next, I'm gonna go with this light transition shade, and I'm using Morphe M506 brush to blend out the edges. After all the blending, I'm gonna go back with a little bit more of that orange shade to make it look intense again. Warm shades like this are usually very easy to work with, they're very blendable, and when off camera, it literally takes me 5 minutes to do this eye makeup. I'm gonna use a clean blending brush just to go over the edges a little bit to make sure there are no harsh lines and everything looks nicely diffused. Next, I'm gonna go with this copper shimmer, and I'm going to apply it all over the lid using a flat synthetic brush. It's actually much better to use your finger, but my nails look embarrassing right now, so for me, brush it is. I was gonna do a winged eyeliner at first, but it's supposed to be a beginner-friendly video, so I know a lot of people struggle with it, even I do sometimes after drinking too much coffee. So I'm just going to apply a thin line across my lash line. If you don't wear falsies, you can totally skip this step, but if you do, this will help you to hide the band. Now moving on to my lower lash line, I'm going to apply some eyeshadow base and go with the same orange shade using a definer brush from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collection. I first go underneath my lashes and then I'm gonna go on top of them because I don't like to have that space between my waterline and eyeshadow. Going with the same small crease brush from Makeup Geek, I'm going to blend it out. Now using Morphe M506 brush and the same transition shade that I used earlier, I'm going to diffuse the edges of that orange shade. Next, I'm gonna go with this second shimmer to highlight my inner corner and the brow bone. For my waterline, I'll be mixing the orange and this deeper shade from Anastasia Beverly Hills palette to match my look. Finally, I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and we're all done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye!